Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a puff stitch. A puff stitch is where you work multiple half double crochets into a single stitch and then you'll connect them together at the top. You can work as many half double crochets as you like into the stitch, but today I'm going to show you how to do a puff using 3 half double crochets. When working our stitches, we won't be completing each half double crochet before moving on to the next one. So I'm going to start by yarning over and inserting my hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 3 loops, and instead of completing the half double crochet, I'm just going to yarn over again and insert my hook back into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to do this one more time, so I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook back into the stitch, yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 7 loops on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to yarn over one more time and then pull through all 7 loops. Pull the yarn tight, and then to secure the top a little bit more, I'm just going to yarn over and make a chain. And that's how you do a puff stitch. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.